Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel and turn up the notification bell, so anytime I upload another video you won't miss my video. Then you help me grow my channel. Thank you very much. I came across this coin last month. I just want to tell you guys, because before the maybe before we came up dot bnb Aave compound, those coins also start from somewhere. So it's better you get the next 100x coins before the coins blow up, so you won't miss the upside of the potential. You won't be enter on top when everything has go up, so you won't miss out on this coin. So I just want to tell you guys about Konomi Network. Konomi Network is money market and decentralized network. They build on Ethereum, then they are building their main network on Polkadot. Like, there is Aave, Compound, every money market lending and pool are built on Ethereum. So a lot of people, some people don't have a lot of money to pay gas fees every time dealing with this service on Aave or Compound, stuff like that. So I think this is the best idea on building on Polkadot. So for a lot of people to experience money market service with low fees transaction and with secure network. So this Konomi network has 100 million total maximum of coin. Total supply of coins is the same thing. So and they have 22 million, like let's say 22 million 100 and something million in curriculum supply. So like 20%, 22% of all the coin are 22 are in curriculum supply, let's say that. And they have their market cap is 14,776,000. So as time goes on, this Konomi network, they are still in process of their product. They have not launched their mainnet. So that's why you see this coin is in big discount. So if you get in this coin now, you have a big chance in upside. The cryptocurrency, you can't, it's either you lose or you gain. But you know that you can't, you know that you have to put the money you are willing to lose. So if you put your money, then you know that the money you are not putting your life savings on one cryptocurrency or inside crypto. You can't lose your money. So I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just telling you guys a possible next next opportunity, because this is the I won't say this Aave killer, but next Aave. So you want to get the next Aave before some everybody get into the Discoin. So if you get there early now, you have more advantage on other people. So you have the edge on other people. So I will take you guys to their main net but network. But I want to tell you guys, they had ICO on Poco Starter. Like they said, they are coin for 40 cents. Hard cap per each, like the soft cap, like they raised $200,000 USD dollar. Then they each token each person can get is 330 USDT, like dollar, and that is great opinion. As I some other coin you can buy almost like 2,000, 1,000. That can lead to dump on market when everything is going on, because a lot of people buy the coin, and then when the coin goes up, they will have to sell their coins, because a lot of people have a lot of the token. So they have the fair price hard cap by each person, 330, which is fair. So I will take you guys to their main network. So as you can see, Konomi Network is decentralized money market protocol built on Polkadot. So when if you want to learn more about their product, then you read their white paper. I'm just telling you guys what I feel. So if you want to invest on this network, you have to come to their network or read everything, then know what you are investing in. So this Web3 foundation and Web3. So Konomi is a decentralized liquidity and money market protocol for cross-chain crypto assets. So let's go to their roadmap. At least I think we are in this third quarter. So as I told you that I came across this this network maybe last 2 months or last month. I've been following this coin since last 2 months. So their as their roadmap is showing, like cross-chain transaction functionality. So they have launched their Oracle, like their main. They are working with Chainlink, but they have their own Oracle that they launch on Ethereum network, um, B&B, Binance Network, Smart Chain, everything. They have their own. They are independent Oracle network, but they are still working together with Coin Chainlink. So their Oracle, they can work independently without any Oracle, any support from another party, but they are still working close with Chainlink. So they will use Chainlink as part of their main network. So as you can see, they are going to launch their main network from fourth quarter. I don't know, maybe it's going to be September or August or November. I know this fourth quarter they will launch their their main net. That's when I think we have a chance for more higher all-time high in this network. So if they have almost 60 67,900 something Telegram member, then they have on Twitter, they have almost like 10,000 or 13,000 or 20,000 followers. I think this coin have potential. Maybe I won't say 100x, I won't say 10x, I won't say 5x, but I know this coin have potential. As you can see now, this coin have 10. Their my market cap is 11 million. Compare that to Aave that they have almost 12, almost 2 billion market cap. So as you can see, this coin has a lot of potential to grow. So that's what I want to tell you guys. if you like this content, and please kindly subscribe to my channel and tell me what you feel about this coin. Then tell me if you know about another coin. Please tell me. I just want to know what you guys think about this coin. Then what are the coin you are looking forward to buy. Then what are your coin do you think can do next 100x or 1000x. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please kindly turn up the notification bell. Thank you guys. See you on next video.